بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially gracious. Welcome to the forum. Mathropolis. We dedicated ourselves entirely to unveiling the magnificent treasures hidden within the realms of the human mind. It's a forum aimed at exploring mathematical solutions for junior-level students. Here, students can avail themselves of opportunities to attend free lectures on each topic. All practice nows and exercises have been solved with brief explanation. At the end of each chapter, here are worksheets for practice and preparation. Kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for timely intimation of upcoming videos. It's mathematics of grade 6. Let we start chapter number 1, that is primes, highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Our today's topic is factors. Let we recall what the factors are. Multiplying two whole numbers gives a product. The numbers that we multiply are the factors of the product. Whole numbers mean a complete number, but not in fraction or in decimal. For example, whole numbers 3 multiplied by 2 gives a product 6. Here the whole numbers 3 and 2, which has been multiplied, are factors of 6. And the product 6 is called multiple of 2 and 3. Similarly, whole numbers 3 multiplied by 3 gives a product 9. Here the whole numbers 3's, which has been multiplied, are factors of 9. And the product 9 is called multiple of 3's. And whole numbers 5 multiplied by 4 gives a product 20. Here the whole numbers 5 and 4, which have been multiplied, are factors of 20. And the product 20 is called multiple of 4 and 5. We can also say that to factor a number means to break it up into numbers that can be multiplied together to get the original number. Let the original numbers are 6, 9, and 20. Multiple 6 can be broken up into 2, 3, as 2 multiplied by 3 gives us the product 6. So 2 and 3 are factors of 6. The multiple 9 can be broken up into 3 and 3. As 3 multiplied by 3 gives us the product 9, so 3's are factors of 9. The multiple 20 can be broken up into 5 and 4. As 5 multiplied by 4 gives us the product 20, so 5 and 4 are factors of 20. Now, I am much sure you can easily differentiate factors and multiples. We can simply say that factors are what we can multiply to get the number. As in above examples, 3 and 2 have been multiplied to get the number 6, so these are factors of 6. 3's have been multiplied to get the number 9, so these are factors of 9. 5 and 4 have been multiplied to get the number 20, so these are factors of 20. Multiples are what we get after multiplying the number by an integer, not a fraction. As in above examples, we get number 6 after multiplying 2 and 3, so it is multiple of 2 and 3. We get number 9 after multiplying 3 and 3, so it is multiple of 3's. We get number 20 after multiplying 5 and 4, so it is multiple of 5 and 4. Can you now find all possible factors of 6, 9, and 20? 1 multiplied by 6 gives us the product 6, so 1 and 6 are factors of 6. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 3 gives us the product 6, so 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Now, let we write all possible factors of 6. Please note here we usually write factors of a number in arrangement of ascending order, means from smallest factor to highest factor. All possible factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Let we now find all possible factors of number 9. 1 multiplied by 9 gives us the product 9, so 1 and 9 are factors of 9. Three multiplied by 3 gives us the product 9, so 3's are factors of 9, but it will be written once as factor of 9. All possible factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. 'Now, we will all possible factors of 20. 1 multiplied by 20 gives us the product 20, so 1 and 20 are factors of 20. Two multiplied by 10 gives us the product 20, so 2 and 10 are factors of 20. 4 multiplied by 5 gives us the product 20, so 4 and 5 are factors of 20. All possible factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. We can also say that a factor divides a number completely without leaving any remainder. Let we find all factors of 30. Divide the number 30 with whom it can be divided completely. We can see here 30 has been divided completely with 1, without leaving any remainder. One multiplied by 30 give the product 30. 1 and 30 are factors of 30. We can note here 1 is divisor and 30 is quotient. The product, 30, is multiple of 1 and 30. Now divide the 30 with 2. "30 has been divided with 2 completely, without leaving any remainder. 2 multiplied by 15 give the product 30. 2 and 15 are factors of 30. Here in division, 2 is divisor and 15 is quotient. The product, 30, is multiple of 2 and 15. Now, divide the number 30 with 3. 30 has been divided by 3 completely, without leaving any remainder. 3 multiplied by 10 also give the product 30. 3 and 10 are factors of 30. Here 3 is divisor and 10 is quotient. The product, 30, is multiple of 3 and 10. Divide 30 with its next divisible number 5. "30 has been divided completely with 5, without leaving any remainder. 5 multiplied by 6 give the product 30. 5 and 6 are factors of 30. Here in division, 5 is divisor and 6 is quotient. The product 30 is multiple of 5 and 6. Now divide 30 with its next divisible number, 6. The number 30 has been divided completely with 6, without leaving any remainder. 6 multiplied by 5 gives the product 30. So 6 and 5 are factors of 30. Here 6 is divisor and 5 is quotient. And the product 30 is multiple of 6 and 5. Now divide 30 with its next divisible number 10. 30 has been divided completely with 10, without leaving any remainder. 10 multiplied by 3 gives the product 30, so 10 and 3 are factors of 30. Here 10 is divisor and 3 is quotient. And the product 30 is multiple of 10 and 3. Now divide 30 with its next divisible number 15. 30 has been divided completely with 15, without leaving any remainder. 15 multiplied by 2 give the product 30. So 15 and 2 are factors of 30, here 15 is divisor and 2 is quotient. The product 30 is multiple of 15 and 2. "30 is also divisible by itself. 30 has been divided completely with 30, without leaving any remainder. 30 multiplied by 1 give the product 30, so 30 and 1 are factors of 30. Here 30 is divisor and 1 is quotient. And the product 30 is multiple of 30 and 1. All possible factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Let we now find all possible factors of 10. Divide 10 with its first divisible number, 1. 10 has been divided completely with 1, without leaving any remainder. 1 multiplied by 10 give the product 10. 1 and 10 are factors of 10. Here 1 is divisor and 10 is quotient. The product 10 is multiple of 1 and 10. Now divide 10 with its next divisible number, 2. The 10 has been divided completely, without leaving any remainder. 2 multiplied by 5 give the product 10. 2 and 5 are factors of 10. Here in division 2 is divisor and 5 is quotient. The product 10 is multiple of 2 and 5. Divide the number 10 with next divisible number, 5. 10 has been divided completely without leaving any remainder. 5 multiplied by 2 gives the product 10. 5 and 2 are factors of 10. Here 5 is divisor and 2 is quotient. And the product 10 is multiple of 5 and 2. 10 is also divisible by itself. 10 has been divided completely, without leaving any remainder. Here 10 and 1 are factors of 10. 10 is divisor and 1 is quotient. And the product 10 is multiple of 10 and 1. All possible factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. We can say that, in the given examples, divisor and quotient are factors of dividend, as those have divided the dividend completely, without leaving any remainder. You must remember that divisor is the number with whom we divide any other number that is dividend. And quotient is the answer. Similarly, the dividend is the multiple of divisor and quotient, as product of divisor and quotient is equal to their dividend. Let we finally conclude our lecture. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. We can note here that 1 is the smallest factor of every number. The number itself is the highest factor of every number. Every number have minimum of 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. As we can note here that the number 1 and the number itself is included in factors of all the numbers. In next lecture, we will learn about identification of even and odd numbers, classification of whole numbers into different groups, and differentiation of prime and composite numbers. May Almighty Allah keep all of us, always, under His protective arms.